Hello and welcome to KOREHUB. I'm Dr. Rafaqat Kazmi and today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of deep learning. Ever wondered how Google Translate an entire web page in seconds, or how your phone gallery groups images by location? That's all thanks to deep learning. So, what exactly is deep learning? Let's find out. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is itself a subset of artificial intelligence. AI enables machines to mimic human behavior. Machine learning achieves AI through algorithms trained with data. Deep learning, inspired by the structure of the human brain, uses artificial neural networks to achieve machine learning. Deep learning versus machine learning. To understand deep learning better, let's compare it to machine learning. Suppose we create a machine to differentiate between tomatoes and cherries. With machine learning, we had manually specify features like size and stem type. With deep learning, the neural network autonomously picks out these features without human intervention. Through it requires a much higher volume of data for training. How neural networks works? Let's explore how neural networks function. Imagine 3 students each writing the digit 9 on paper. The human brain can easily recognize these digits, but for a computer, this task requires deep learning. A neural network trained to identify the handwritten digits works as follows. Number 1. Each digit is represented as a 28 by 28 pixel image. Total 784 pixels. Number 2. Each pixel is fed to a neuron in the input layer of the neural network. Number 3. The network has an input layer, hidden layers, and an output layer. Each neuron in the output layer represents a digit. Number 4. Information travels through connecting channels, each with an associated value or weight. Number 5. Neurons. Neurons have a bias value added to the weight sum of inputs, which is then processed by an activation function. Number 6. Activated neurons pass information to sequential layers until the output layer identifies the digit. Weights and biases are continuously adjusted to create a well-trained network. Applications of deep learning. Deep learning is applied in various fields. Number 1. Customer support. Chatbots simulates real conversations with customers. Number 2. Medical care. Neural networks detect cancer cells and analyze MRI images. Number 3. Self-driving cars. Companies like Apple, Tesla, and Nissan are developing autonomous vehicles. Limitations of deep learning. Despite its vast potential, deep learning has limitations. Number 1. Data requirements. Neural networks require massive volumes of data for training. Number 2. Computational power. Training requires graphical processing units, GPUs, which are costly and have thousands of cores compared to central processing units, CPUs. Number 3. Training time. Deep neural networks can take hours or even months to train, increasing with data volume and network complexity. Conclusion. Some popular deep learning frameworks include TensorFlow, PyTorch, Kera, Deep Learning 4J, Caffe, and Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit. The future of deep learning and AI holds immense potential. Innovations like a device using deep learning to assist the blind show we have only scratched the surface. Thank you for watching.